Which charting platform is better, stocks chart or TradingView? Found in this video. Okay, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing a evaluation on the different platforms. Now, first of all, I just want to say this: I do not associate or do get any money from neither of the software, because it's just not worth it. They pay hardly anything, so I'm doing it because I'm a serious trader and investors. I've been doing this for 20 odd years. I do use a different platform when I'm actually doing portfolio management and trading, because the system has to be tied into the stock exchange. So as a private trader and a intermediate trader, those two platforms will be fine, but I just want to see which one's better for you guys. Okay, so first thing first, let's look at stock charts. Now, stock charts, you need to sign up for a free account. I got one as this example. Got quite a bit of information here. As you can see, it's not too bad, but the things I want to compare today is the charting tools. So let's go into the charting tool. Okay, so you got a whole bunch of different things. I'm just an extra member. You got point and figure charts. I mean, we will go through more of this in another YouTube videos. But for today, we will look at the US market. And I think this stock chart can only do US anyway. So let's look at Ford Motor. So first thing first, we go into that. Now, this is a basic chart, so it's not very impressive. You got the different periods here. You can update it. You can actually set this as a refresh. So if you're doing at a minute chart, it will refresh every minute. So that's one good features about it. As a chart wise, as you can see, it's a little bit small. I need a bigger picture because I don't see too well when I'm looking at charts. I want to look at the picture a bit clear. So the other thing is size. I'll change to landscape. Type I will change into open, high, low, and close bar. Oops, let's do this again. Open, high, low, and close. And then I'm gonna do the full update, and we should get something. Now the chart is a bit small, so as you can see, this is what I got after I did the updates. And so I got a whole landscape size. I mean, I think you can do a bit bigger, but I think this is the maximum you could do. I can't scroll left or right. I can only do up and down. I can't move the bar backward. So if I wanted to change to different type of periods, I have to change it here. So as you can see, I need to go to weekly chart to do the updates. And then I got a bigger picture, so the longer term. Tools stay the same, so it's not too much. But so, you know, as a intuitively speaking, it's a little bit hard to use. Everything's on the bottom, so you have to update everything on the bottom. It's still very like a drop-down box type tools. Charting wise, you know, I think there's other software better. And let's have a look at another example. Okay, so I will switch to TradingView. I got a TradingView account here. And let's put a stock here. So we were using Ford Motor, so let's stick with Ford Motor. So we click on it, and I think this is the example of Ford Motor, which if you go from here, as you can see, we're loading the charts. Once you load the charts, just waiting for it, we can then do the full feature. So this is what it is. I click the full feature and gone straight to this example. I can see the code is here, very clear. Oops. I want to go into a daily chart, so I'll just click into the W, and that turned into a daily chart for me. Bar charts is here, so I'll just click on it. There's a symbol, so if you're a very visual person like me, you can actually click on it instead of, you know, try to find the words. You can change the candlesticks. There's a whole bunch of chart you could change to. There are different indicators you can add. So there's indicator templates. You can even create alerts. You can compare, add different symbols. You can actually add another, like a Dow Jones index on it. So that way you can look at the comparison, look at the index compared to the stocks. What else can I say about this one? I can scroll the chart closer to look at the past. That's one good thing about it. And expand on it. So there are a couple of things that TradingView is actually quite good at. Their software is very intuitive. It's really done for visual people, and it's a bit easy to use. It's not cumbersome compared to this one. You know, you have to do quite a bit of work. For example, if I want to scroll this chart backward, I can't. I have to change it to different periods. So before I can actually do anything. So there's lots of updates. on it compared to the trading view. So for this one, I'll just click here straight away, you know. So just scroll down here quickly to weekly, and then change it for me straight away. So, well, my verdict for today, I have to say that trading view for the charting platform is actually pretty good, very intuitive, very easy to use. Stock chart is still need some work. It's not as intuitive and easy to use. So just be aware of it. You know, as a trader and investor, it just depends on which one you find is more useful. I find that trading view is pretty good for me. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue another video in looking at different aspects of the software to see, you know, the comparison, and I'll do a final, a pro and cons for both. And so we will have a series of these videos, okay? Well, don't forget to join us next week, and I will talk to you more about both of the platforms. And also, I will have a stock update for the middle of the week on the overall market trends. October in Australia is always challenging, so there may be some major market movement. So keep in touch, and I will see you in the next update.